Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to use your subdomain to use our /openhouse feature for your website that will put all of your leads directly into your CRM system. So I'm going to use Greg and Cascade as the property as an example because he'll be doing an open house this weekend. So I'm going to type in your first name. So greg.jasonmatt.com. This is your subdomain. This is also where you can use /shares. Okay, so we'll find a home. We'll go locate the property that we're going to do an open house on. Right now is Cascade. This is what you're going to be setting up when you arrive at the house. In your URL bar, you'll go to the end of all of those numbers and letters, /openhouse. Go ahead and hit enter. You can do this on an iPad, you can do this on a computer, and it'll create this open house options. Light registration will be fine. You're going to pick the date and time that you're at your open house. Again, you're setting this up when you get there, what time it was. 2, 3. And you'll start your open house. Now this is what you'll have out, and everybody will be able to check into the open house instead of having those sign-in sheets. This is the light registration. I'll also show you the long registration. But this is what you'll want everybody to sign up with. When I sign up, if I were to hit submit, then this would go directly into your Greg's CRM system with a tag that has this address. So then you'll know what property they were checking on. When we're all finished, we can go ahead and click End Open House. When people click Submit, this form will automatically clear out. Okay, congratulations. It'll give you how many attendees, and it'll also, like I said, add these 2 tags so you'll know what they came from. So we can go ahead and exit out of that. And I will show you, again, add that /openhouse option. Okay. Start from the beginning before we did the open house. Okay. I'll do it again. Okay, so we're going to create an open house, and I'll show you what the full registration is if we were to select that option. I'm just going to leave it at today's date and time for right now. Okay, and you'll see an example of the long registration and what questions they are asking. These are always better, but you just have to make sure that everybody fills it out when they come in. So again, they'll fill out all their information and check in. Once your open house is through, end open house, and it'll give you a quick little summary of everything and how to search for these clients in your CRM. They won't go out on a round robin. They won't be dispersed as a shotgun. They will all funnel into whoever you are using. Now, if you make a mistake and accidentally go directly to jasonmatt.com, the leads will go out in a round robin. So you always want to make sure you're using your subdomain. A good way to double check is you'll see your picture and information on the website under all of the listings. So that's how we use our /openhouse feature to get those contacts directly in there as opposed to transposing from the paper copies.